Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by getting files into Canva and matching basic settings. First, upload your video and audio assets, then place the video on the primary track and drag your audio beneath it. Once done, enable timeline snapping so clips lock to beats and edits. Make sure project length and frame rate are appropriate. Mismatched rates can shift sync. Now trim the front of audio or video to the first visual cue and insert a marker at the exact frame where sound should start to anchor timing precisely. Now you focus on precise alignment. Zoom into the timeline so you can see waveforms and individual frames. Visual transients often reveal beats or words. Split clips at edit points and nudge audio in single frame increments with arrow keys to eliminate audible lag. If dialogue is behind video, trim silence or shift the clip. If audio is ahead, push it forward and add a tiny fade to avoid pops. Make deliberate speed or gain tweaks only when necessary. Then loop a 3-5 second section to check. Finish by previewing the whole video at normal speed and exporting a short test clip first. You want to verify sync in actual playback conditions, so choose HD export and standard audio sample rates, then watch on a phone and desktop. If everything stays locked, export final. If you notice drift or occasional slips, make sure original files share the same frame rate and sample rate, relink the corrected source, or re-render problem segments. Sometimes re-encoding, a misbehaving track fixes, persistent timing errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.